You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. I've found out a very important pattern on this one-day chart BTC USDT right here, and also I'm going to talk about ETH USDT, what you should expect in relation to what we are seeing right now on the Bitcoin dominance. Are we going to see the Bitcoin dominance go right down, or we're going to see a move to the upside with a strong bullish momentum in this video? So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. So let's dive right in. On the one-day chart on BTC USDT, if you look at it on this very area, this is a very strong resistance level. Like I said in my previous videos, if we can break this very level, then we'll see a very massive move to the upside right here. But what we are seeing right now on Bitcoin is that market is resisting here and the market is finding its path to the downside. I have found out a very important pattern right here, and this is a inverse head and shoulder pattern at the moment. So if you look at it from market go down from here to this area, and then come back right down, then go up again from this area to this area right here. Then now we are seeing this, so we want to see a completion on this very area before we can confirm this inverse head and shoulder pattern at this point. So we have the first here, this shoulder at this area, and then we have the head here, and then we have the shoulder here as well. So this is a shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. So what we are expecting right now is that the market should move up and then expecting a breakout. Once a breakout occurs, then we can then confirm this pattern. This pattern is still under confirmation. Okay, so what I'm expecting right now is the market should move up a little bit to this area, and then we should see a breakout to confirm this head and shoulder pattern that we are seeing in the market right now. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT one-day chart right here. And then if you look at it very well, we may not see market just plop right down right now. We are going to see a little push to the upside from this very area, or slightly below this area of $40,000. Okay, so this is what I am looking out for right now. This very pattern is very important on the one-day chart. If you come over to the 4-hour chart right here, see this is a lower high at this area. This is a lower high here, this is a lower high here. We have a lower low here and a lower low here. This means that market is in a downtrend. So what I am looking out for right now is a retracement to the upside in this formation. So market could possibly retrace to the upside a little bit before we see market come right down. Now when market is coming right down, I want to see a loss of strength in this next impulsive move to the downside. Once that is confirmed, then that means market is going to go far way up. The market may not come into this area, but I want to see a reduction in the next impulsive move after this retracement that is coming into the markets right now. So this is what I am looking out for. We can take a counter trend position at this area, or we wait for market to go back down a little bit and take a position right at this very area of $38,000 and $37,000 right here. So this is what I am looking out for in the short term right now on BTC USDT chart. If you come back to ETH, we are seeing similar thing we see on the one-day chart. This is a lower high, this is a lower high, and we have a lower low here, a lower low, which means market is coming back down. But on the long term, we could see the market go right up a little bit, maybe from next week Monday. If you look at the 4-hour chart right here, the same thing, we see market lower high, we have lower high here, lower low here, lower low here, which means market is coming back down. The same thing right at this point, we will see the market go up and then come back a little bit to the downside in form of continuation of this impulsive move. And then once we see a reduction in strength in this impulsive move, that means market is going to go up again from this area. So that we want to see a breakout on this very level right here of this strong resistance, and then we have a strong resistance here. Remember, we have a very strong resistance here as well, and this very resistance here at the moment. So if you look at the Ethereum chart very well, you see we have a lot of resistance that the markets have to find its path through to the upside before we can actually confirm that the bulls are very strong in the market. And one of the major ones is this very area right here, this very resistance. Market have capacity of coming back into this level. I don't see the market going back far below this level on the immediate short term right now. I am looking for the market recovering to the upside, especially early next week. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH right now. And if you take a trade here, then that should be a counter trend trade. Don't be in the position for a very long time. But if markets go back down and then we see a reduction in this impulse, it will be a nice point to take a trade because we will see a good move to the upside for a maximum profit. Looking at the 4-hour chart right here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, if you see seeing it right here, you see market support here, resistance. So market have capacity of coming back down. But what I am looking out for right now and the long term is that the Bitcoin dominance chart should move up again. Like I said in my previous video, if you look at it from this area, I said if markets break this very area of support, then we're going to see the market come back right down, and we're going to see a massive drop on BTC USD to the downside, and then on ETH USD to the downside as well. But if we continue a massive move to the upside from this area, then that also will give hope to all traders out there that markets will quickly recover on BTC USDT to the upside, and also on ETH USDT here to the upside as well. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT, ETH USDT, and correlating it with the Bitcoin dominance right now. So on the immediate long term on the Bitcoin dominance, I want to see the market move to the upside. Then on the short time, market can possibly come back a little bit to the downside and then move up again in line with the 1-day chart on the Bitcoin dominance. So this is what I am looking out for right now on the long term on BTC USDT, with this very head and shoulder formation coming into the market right now, and also on the immediate short term using the 4-hour chart, and also on the immediate short term on ETH USDT. Do you still think the market is going to crash back down, or we are going to see a pause on ETH here or at this very area of $2,700 level at this area? Comment below. What do you think the market is going to do next week? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. And then if you've not registered on Bybit, $600 bonus right there, and then Binance, all of the link in the description right now, and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.